Hiya Notters! Have you ever had the feeling of anxiety over the health of others? It's hard to see someone you love suffer and you would like to tell them what to do to feel better. But of course, they can have to do it on their own pace. You cannot tell them what to do. This can make you feel helpless and sad, feeling restless and troubled. You start to feel it during the day, and when you are laying in bed, you are tossing and turning. That's how I feel at the moment. I'm concerned about one of my kids, and it takes up a lot of space in my mind. There are some things, of course, I can do. I can lend him an ear, I can let him share his burdens. I even can share some of my ideas, but that's about it. It's up to him to take action. I feel kind of helpless and useless, and that turned into anxiety and nervousness. We want the important people in our lives to feel happy and have no struggles at all, but of course that's out of our control. So that's how I'm feeling today and how I went into my atelier and started to paint. As you can see, I was totally in my mind and it didn't work out at all at first. I filled paper after paper with just green and blues, and I felt it didn't help at all. And then I got a little more centered and relaxed, and I gave myself space, and I was able to let it all go and be in the present moment. From there, I felt my body and my mind calm down. Abstract and intuitive painting has a lot to do with letting go. Letting go of the urge to control is the biggest one for me. Afterwards, I was able to do some deep belly breathing, which is also good for lymph flow, by the way, and I stood with my bare feet in the grass. It's so important to take up that space and to be able to take care of yourself. It's easy to grab a drink, self-medicate, or even to feel numb inside. I have been there for many years, and I'm so glad that this painting habit has come along my path. The worrying and anxiety has made place for having the faith that he will be able to figure things out, and that he will conquer this too, because I know he's a very strong guy, and hopefully he will feel better soon. And they, all four of them, always know their mom is there to be at their side, to listen and to be their shoulder to cry on. So again, today my creativity has shown me the way. That's why I started this YouTube channel, to show how mindful creativity is helping me ever so often. How it is my place of sanity and helps me to get rid of feelings of overwhelm and anxiety. That said, this is not your normal art channel. It's not about beauty nor about perfection, and I try to show you it's all about what you create, but it's not about what you create, but it's the fact you do create to enable your own well-being. Even though I sometimes still have these fights with my inner critic, I'm so convinced that this form of self-care is helping me every time. You can use words to empower your intentions, use color to reflect your feelings, use mark making to create some zen, and use different kind of brushes to get you out of your anxiety, and different kind of crayons, paint, pencils, or whatever you can come up with just for fun. Allow yourself to make ugly things. It's okay to make mistakes, and it's okay to create a mess. It's all about the use of art and creativity as a mindful practice, and to create a moment in the present every single day to enhance a more happy and fulfilling life. You can rate my art as beautiful, weird, messy, or even ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I made that day, and I don't do things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I make without a filter. It's all about expressing yourself as a form of self-care to enhance self-love and well-being. If you like what you see, please follow my channel, and you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up. I wish you a lovely day. Think of how you can change your mood with being creative in any way. It doesn't have to be painting. It can be pottery, writing, poems, or even dancing. And last but not least, please try to be aware of the beauty of the little things around you. Everything you can see can be a spark of inspiration for your creativity. I hope you will create something today. A big hug from me, and bye bye for now.